Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use a concatenate formula to basically combine multiple cell values into one distinctive value. So I put together basically a simple list here that gives you a list of names, last name first, then first name. So what we want to do is basically combine these two. So what we're going to do is in the cell next to this, I'm going to type equals concatenate beginning parentheses. I'm going to highlight the column dough, put a comma to separate the values, and then highlight John's first name, parentheses, hit enter. So what this has done is combine the two values together. Now the way to fix this is if you're combining something like names. So I don't want it to read this way because it doesn't show up very clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this formula, and I'm going to put a quote here, put a comma, a space, and then end quote, and then another comma to basically make these three different values. So now I've got three different text strings here. I'm saying I want to use this first name here. This middle one is saying I want to basically separate cell A2 and B2 with a comma and then a space. Everything in between the quotation marks are basically what it's going to add in. That's going to be a static value. So I'm going to hit enter, and I have John Doe as a clean version of it, and you can just copy that formula all the way down, and now you got a clean list of names. Another option is to go, let's say if you want to do more than two values, you can do three values, you can do all the way up to 255 different values. So we're going to do the same thing here, equals concatenate parentheses. I'm going to highlight Doe's last name. I'm going to use that text string, comma, space, end quote, comma, John. Now I'm going to put a comma, quote, and then just a space, end quote, and then end the parentheses. Sorry, not end the parentheses, comma, and then highlight the last one. There. So now what that's done is that's actually five different text string values. So we've got the first one with the value in cell A2. Then we want that clean look, so we separate it with the comma and the space. And then we want this value. And then instead of having the W right next to the John, I said right here, just put a space in between the first name and the middle initial, comma, and then I want that initial as the last one. And then same thing, you copy that formula down, and now you got a clean look, first, last name with middle initial. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment.